today I am going to be doing another I followed this tutorial sort of challenge thing, but this time I am going to be doing a drag makeup tutorial. And it's not by anyone like huge and famous like, you know, Trixie Mattel or Kimchi anything. I'm going to be doing this video by Lucy Garland. I have been watching this girl forever. Okay, like honestly, highest accolades ever. I love her so much. She's like my age. She just does drag. She's like biologically like a girl and all that. She's like living in Australia. I think she works for Marc Jacobs at the moment, and I love her stuff so much. She comes up with all these looks. I don't know how she bloody does it. But I'm gonna be following the tutorial Texas Pageant Queen transformation, and it looks so difficult and so hard, and I'm so bloody nervous. Honestly, really truly think I'm gonna stuff this up big time. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Oh my god, and my lighting has just pissed out. Are you bloody serious? I spent $500 on new lighting, okay, and this one's just pissed out right now. Jesus Christ, you just know that this tutorial is gonna be lit as, not even lit, actually no, wrong, it's not even gonna be lit, it's gonna be not that lit. You little bitch. You little shit. Why? That means that one's gonna run out soon, I betcha. Why? Okay, if this one pisses out, it's because the batteries run out. Christ almighty, what a night. It's already my night, isn't it? Let's get started! Okay, so she's putting glue all over her eyebrows. So how does she do this? Oh my god. I know that I'm gonna stuff this up. I know that this eyebrow thing, I can do my eyebrows beautifully now because they're like already here. They don't need to do much. So this is gonna be really interesting. I don't have that purple glue. I'm just going straight in with Yoo-hoo. Shit, they're long, eh? They're long, boys. These mofos, oh my god. The ends of my eyebrows, like the tail ends, like these ends, they're coming off in the shower because my like chemo drug shit is working. The clumps of my hair are falling out, but like it's not that noticeable, but the ends of my eyebrows are getting a little bit thinner, but you know, I can fix that with makeup, it's completely fine. Maybe I need to turn my brightness up because I feel like... Oh, that's bright! Yeah, that's... Woo! That's better. Oh, no. Oh, a little bit better. That's better. All right, I'm gonna quickly. Holy shit. My eyebrows are so thick though, so I might need to do like lots of layers of glue. Oh, wow. See, look at my eyebrows, like these parts, like they will come on. That's okay though. Eyebrow queen can fix anything, it's fine. Give me a Sharpie and I'll change your life. Okay, I'm gonna put some more on because I don't trust this is flat enough. I really want this to work out. I really want to do Lucy proud. I was gonna do like a Trixie Mattel look, but this is a real challenge. This is like artistry. This is like the real deal. I'm not saying that Trixie Mattel isn't artistry, but this is like, Lucy turns, like she makes people, she makes like characters, you know, she like creates people out of drag, you know? She's a shapeshifter. So I really want to do that too. I look like that guy from American Pie. Okay, she puts more glue on, more glue. I just put more glue on though. That she's got quite thin eyebrows, no offense Lucy, but you're not a thick girl like me. Shit, this is what's gonna take the longest. This takes forever. Oh shit, uh-oh, okay. Oh yeah, she's pretty, she's cute. Yeah, it's not flat enough. No way. I'm just gonna keep going then. Far out. This is just gonna have to bloody do, because seriously, I've been doing this for 20 minutes. All right, so now I'm putting foundation on. She uses Crayolan TV paint stick, and I've got that too. Looks like she just puts it all over her face. Yeah. I love the smell. It smells like old school makeup. It's like a light perfume. If you want like the most high coverage, most insanest foundation, this is the most high coverage foundation that I own. You can't, there's nothing as full coverage as this, I'm telling you that right now. Okay, cover the eyebrows. Oh shit! This just, that's when you know your eyebrows are just too powerful. Won't even let you, wow, okay. Can I just use like some of this? Okay, I think I have enough on. I think. Blend this out. Not that you kind of can. This is so high coverage. This is honestly the best foundation in the whole world. I used this foundation, not this color. I used this foundation for my school ball, my very first school ball, and I looked so good all night. I'm gonna say it, I did. I should do like a recreation of my school ball makeup, but like I look at it now and go, oh my god, that's so dumb. I could have done so much better. Why did I hold back? I went as like a pin-up themed, pin-up girl or whatever. But I could have done like hardcore cool makeup, but I hadn't discovered it yet. Also, I went to a really strict school, so they probably were like, no drag queens allowed, we don't believe in them. It's really talked up. If you've never been to a school ball before, it's really, well, prom, whatever you want to call it, it's really talked up. Like it's really, literally they make it out to be your bloody wedding day. Literally you go there, you eat some like alright food, and then you dance for 3 hours on the dance floor. Like, if you're into that, then cool, but like to me, I was just kind of like, and like it was like some shitty ass like 40-year-old guy on a DJ set. It's like, hi dad. Done my face, now she's doing concealer. What concealer is that? It's probably gonna be Crayolan. Does she like highlight her face? Because I've got a white TV paint stick. Oh, I see, yeah, she does. Okay, all right, so now she's highlighting. Okay, so I've got white. So she goes under here. Oh, shit. I can't wait to see how thrashed I look. Honey Boo Boo is gonna be after me. I was gonna do kimchi, but I couldn't find a tutorial. I could find photos that I wanted to do, but there was no tutorials that I wanted to follow and like end up looking like that. Lucy knows what she's doing, or she seems like she does. What's funny is because she like goes on about, oh, I can't actually do real life like beauty makeup, like makeup that you just ordinarily wear. She just like, she attempted to do one and she did a really good job, but she was like, no, I'm actually really bad at makeup or something like that. I can't remember, it was a video like that, and she so I prefer to do drag instead, and she's like incredible. Her sister's really good too. Sophie? Not Sophia, it's Sophie. I'll link their Instagrams below, check them out. They're both dynamite. I really want to collab with her, but she probably won't want a potato like me messing up her YouTube. Like, oh, sorry, I'm on a no carb diet. Don't want you in my house. And she lives in Melbourne, and I love Melbourne, so girl. Wow, shit. Okay, now she's contouring. I'm just gonna be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal. Oh god. She's going for like a really nice bronzed Texas ass look. Okay, one cheekbone's higher than the other, already stuffed it up. Since my face is changing every day, all my angles are off. Huh. Oh no. Oh, I've already stuffed it up. This doesn't look right. Bugger. Oh no, I've already, yeah. I've already messed it up. Oh, Oh my god. It's like I put Marmite spread on my head, like I've used like a scalp thing. I don't know. How do people do this with a sponge though? That's what I don't understand. What the hell is that? Oh my god, I'm really on struggle street now. Okay, my eyebrows are looking worse and worse and worse. Look at this hairline. Okay, so my lights have gone out again. Maybe it's because I didn't charge them all beforehand. Like, I just put them in and it kind of was just like, yep. Okay. Okay, am I snatched? Oh my god, she's also doing like the not. Oh, she's also highlighting as well. She's doing like an arrow. Okay. Whoa. Okay, okay. Lucy. Kind of looks like I've drawn this on, whereas hers looks like a real nose job. News just in. She's highlighting. I need a drink. Shit, it's hard work being a drag queen. It really is. Out. Okay. Doesn't even look like I did anything. And now she's like getting rid of the creases under her eye. Don't think I'm cut out for drag, but like I'm doing my best. Alright, so now she's putting powder all over her face. Oh shit, she's going like all over her face. Oh no, she's baking the whole face. Whole face, guys. Oh, I've been busy at the casino. I've been busy with my ex-boyfriend's current girlfriend. Oh, her nose contour looks so good. Mine doesn't. I'm gonna be taking the NYX stuff. Everyone thinks that that's like a powder. It's actually a shimmer, and I always watch all the tutorials and I'm like, why won't they use that white? Like, it's so annoying. And it's actually a shimmer, and now I can see why people don't use it. Okay, so she's going under here. You can't even see the difference, but alright, that's cool. I'm doing it anyways though. Okay, now she's contouring. Oh, she's using paper. I don't have paper, can't afford it. I'm gonna take this contour Too Faced collection thing, and I'm just going to use that because it's just easier if I just... Wow, she looks so good already. Okay, I'm jealous. That's sharp. I'm just going for subtle for this beauty pageant. Why does this look so muddy? Oh my god. I'm trying my best. Oh my god, Lucy's gonna be cringing so hard. She's gonna be like, oh my god, I need to save her. Why is my contour coming out like that? It looks like a piece of shit. My boyfriend was like, you should do transformations. Literally be the living meme. The girl that can't transform but tries to. So now she's making an eye socket. Okay, yeah, looking good. She's making a crease. This is gonna be the worst thing that's ever happened to me in my life. Oh, that feels weird because my eyebrow is meant to be there. Okay, done it, did it girl. Oh, now she's doing like a cut crease. Oh my god, and then she's doing a wing glider. Far out, okay. Okay, what's this liner gonna look like? Oh, it's going like all the way up her face. Oh, look, yeah, nice. Okay, I'm gonna get so many points in my beauty pageant. Okay, now she's taking white. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're coming together in an abstract way. All I've got to say, Lucy, is I'm so sorry. Making your work look like shit when it really isn't. She's now doing eyebrows. I need to watch this closely. It's not even letting me draw my eyebrows. It's like, that's when you know nature is like, don't. Caito, don't even. Come on now. Time to go to bed. Time to put down the brush. Mine don't really look like, they don't really look that natural. Okay, I'm not going to touch the eyebrows anymore. I've done enough damage. She's using proper glue, but I'm going to be using the new Stila Shimmer and Glow. Can't even see it, what? Can you even see that? It's really blue. Still not showing up that well for you guys. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really glowy. Give myself an eyebrow highlight, just a small one. Yeah, this has really worked out for me. She goes real ham on the blush. Doing my lips. Her lips are massive. Gonna put some lip gloss on. Never seen before footage of me putting lip gloss on because I hate lip gloss. Oh my god. There's not really much to say, is there? Totally think that I've done a way better job than she has. I think I outdone the creator. Oh my god. This part with the eyebrows, how you can see, like, let me zoom in. Literally, look at this. I look like Luna Park. Are you serious? This is the funniest thing ever. Oh my god, I don't even know how I'm gonna get this off. So I tried, I attempted, I conquered. I did not achieve, but I tried. So, you know, vote for me. Little Miss Sunshine, please. That'd be really cool. I'm just gonna go now. I think that this is enough internet for me. This is enough internet time for me right now. I think I've kind of ruined the internet for a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for watching. Big shout out to Lucy Garland. I'll leave this up to you. You keep doing what you're doing. You keep working with Mark Jacobs and doing shit with him and stuff. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you all again very soon. Say hi to your mum for me. Look after yourself. Can you piss off? But most importantly, stay groovy. Oh my god, this is so bad. I can't look at myself in the monitor anymore. I need to go before I be sick. Stay groovy. See you later, guys. Bye.